Hello, my name is John Alston, and I am presenting on my final paper, which is the lesson plan and the video of myself presenting that lesson plan. Now, I must warn you, due to how Screencast-O-Matic works, I would need to pay for the upgrade in order to get the audio on this, but there is also audio attached to this. So I apologize for any inconvenience, but I will try to explain what I'm doing in this video. So, due to the fact that our gymnasium is under repairs, I actually had to do my presentation in the hallway. So this presentation is meant for seniors in high school, and what this is called the Caterpillar Run. I like to do this about the first week of phys ed. It is a collaborative game. It's a way for the students to be creative, work together to get a common goal. So for this example, the Caterpillar Run, each student will be in an individual hula hoop, and they have to get from one side of the gymnasium to the other side of the gymnasium without getting out of the hula hoops. Now they are to discover for themselves how to do that. Now let's see how my coworkers, who are taking the place of the 12th graders, handle this. So as you see, they were able to do this. The person in the fourth row went into the person in the third hula hoops line, and the third person's hula hoop, and they would pass the fourth one up, and they would all walk up one hula hoop. Now I've seen students go into the same hula hoop, the same single hula hoop, and they would toss the hula hoops up front, and they would all leapfrog to the other ones to get to the other side of the gymnasium faster. There's all sorts of things that they can do, but they all have to get there as a team together. So thank you very much for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.